The first question that pops into the mind of any law aspirant is, what are the odds of clearing the exam in the first attempt? Is it difficult to crack CLAT? The answer to this is both yes and no. CLAT is one of the most competitive law entrance examinations conducted in India, with approximately 60,000 students competing every year for around 2,500 seats only. So the acceptance rate will be below 1%. Sounds a little scary, right? But with a sound strategy and loads of discipline, one always has a good chance of clearing CLAT in the very first attempt. The first step is, of course, chalking up a study routine. Aspirants should utilize their time to the optimum. The study plan should be divided into days and hours. Your daily routine for CLAT should cover each subject while also reserving some time for solving mock tests and for revision. The second step involves completing the syllabus in a timely manner. It is a prerequisite for cracking CLAT that you cover the syllabus well before the exam day. Completing the syllabus early gives you an advantage, as the remaining time can be invested in analyzing and solving mock tests. The next step involves solving a good number of CLAT mock tests. Since CLAT is a comprehensive test, it will test the reading and analytical skills of the candidates. Such skills are usually developed during school days, but is that enough? Well, it needs to be streamlined as per the requirements of CLAT. For this, one should solve a good number of sample papers and previous year question papers of CLAT. Solving sample papers will make your preparation more exam-oriented and thus more effective. Before we go any further, let me remind you that entry to our CLAT Crash Course for 2022 is open. All you have to do is go check the link in the description and you can avail our best courses with a click. Usually only 13 to 17 questions are asked from quantitative techniques. However, from this section, aspirants may acquire good marks because the quantitative section carries relatively less weightage. It draws less attention from students who like to focus more on GK, legal aptitude and current affairs. But this section becomes a really important factor in determining the candidate's success. Candidates should aim to get 8 to 9 marks from this section. With this, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video gives you clarity on how much effort is required to crack CLAT. Stay tuned for more insights regarding CLAT UG 2022 by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. See you soon.